Now you are ready to insert the diffuser assembly. As you push it up, it will come in contact with the indent on the inner housing and should seat without binding. When completely seated, flip the locking tabs inward. Install the trim ring by lining up the inner tabs with the guides on the housing. Then press it flush to the ceiling and turn counterclockwise a quarter turn to secure. With the Skylight tube fully installed, you can now enjoy the benefits of natural sunlight in your home. Check the chapters on the optional light kit, rigid tube kit, and extreme cold climate lens kit for additional installation information. US Sunlight, alternative energy for everyday life.